Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to this charming town in Quebec called Pocatière. Nestled along the south shore of the St. Lawrence River in the Bas-Saint-Laurent region, this town offers a blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant community life. Pocatière was established in 1672, making it one of the older settlements in Quebec. The town's name comes from François-Paul de la Pocatière, an officer in the Carignan Regiment. In terms of industry, Pocatière is known for its manufacturing plant operated by Alstom. This facility produces subway and railway cars for various transit systems, including those in New York City, Montreal, and Toronto. For those interested in culture and nature, Pocatière offers several attractions. The Musée François Pilote showcases Quebec's ethnology and agricultural history. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the Montagne du Collèche, a hill with scenic trails, or visit the Jardin Floral de la Pocatière, a beautiful floral garden. The town also features the Marine Halt, highlighting the rich biodiversity of the local salt marshes. Pocatière's location along the St. Lawrence River provides stunning views and opportunities for activities like cycling along the Route Verte or hiking in nearby areas. The town's blend of historical significance, educational institutions, industrial contributions, and natural beauty make it a unique and inviting place to visit or call home. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Pocatière, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!